Alrighty. Hey guys, this is Chef Shima with Swallow This by TC Mahone. So glad to be back with you guys. I hope that I've said Happy New Year to you all. If not, Happy New Year. God has blessed us with yet another year. Today was kind of sort of an impromptu giveaway of the Unclaimed Prizes. Yes, you heard that right. Unclaimed Prizes. Out of the prizes that we gave away, unfortunately, only one person responded, but you know, those are the breaks. I want to start by saying that, again, we appreciate all of the support. Shout out to Chef Jeff on your new journey. I'm so excited for you. I think I was probably a little bit more excited than you watching your video. Shout out to Parnell the chef. Thank you so much for being a continued supporter. And shout out to, again, Chantel's World. I just laugh at your videos all the time. I love your energy. I am Chi. I am there with you, baby. Also, I want to give a shout out to Villa Lynn. She would be the only prize winner that actually claimed her prize. To let you know, I also wanted to let you know that your prize is on the way with that little something extra that I promised you that I would not show on camera. Okay, what else I have to remember, baby? What else? What else was there? What else was there? So tonight I want to make sure that I do as I promised to give away these unclaimed gifts. Well, you know, I thought people like gifts. Just so you'll know, it's going to be sent to you. You're not going to have to pay anything for it at all. We'll ship it to you. As with the last time, if you are a prize winner, if you are chosen, you have 48 hours from the time we started this video. You have 48 hours to respond with your name and your address so that we can send it to you. That information that you send us would only be used to send you your prizes. As a matter of fact, once we've sent the prizes, we scrap the email, so we don't, you don't have to worry about your personal information going out anywhere to other than us. Let's see. For those of you joining for the first time, thank you so much. For those of you who are returning, you know I love you guys, and I, again, appreciate your continued support. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, I know it seems like the worst and corny thing to say sometimes, but hey, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Each one reach one. That's my motto. So without further ado, we're gonna go on to the wheel. Are we ready, honey? I'd like to see peace. Thank you very much. All right, so our first winner, I should say, prize winner is, don't worry, I'm not going to do the wheel sound this time. I just think it's so funny. Kevin Hall. Kevin Hall, you are the proud winner of, let's see, what do we want to give Kevin, baby? You're a man. Kevin Hall, I tell you what I'm going to do. You're going to get the Cool Gear freezer insulated cups as well as a 1080 Pro Stream webcam. Yes, you're going to get that. You're going to get these two items. Again, 48 hours. Make sure that you email us within 48 hours so I can get your address and send this off to you. Again, Kevin Hall, congratulations, hon, for your 1080 Pro Stream webcam and your Cool Gear freezer insulated tumbler cups. All right, we're going to move on to the next person. Okay. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm sure you can see it as well. Pistol pastis. Please don't kill me if I'm butchering it. I'm so sorry, whomever you are or whoever you are. But for you, I'm going to send you this digital scale. Respond within 48 hours to the email, your name and your address. Again, this is Pisto Pastis. I hope I'm saying it right, or am I just butchering it? I apologize if I am. But this is your gift. Congratulations. I hope that we hear from you. Ooh, woo, woo. Yes, you guys, this is another one of those videos where we're not going to let things just linger. We're just going to give them away. The last time we had chosen a few people. This time I'm just going to let the wheel decide, okay? I'm ready for the next one. All right. Daryl Snow in the kitchen cooking with Snow. Daryl Snow in the kitchen cooking with Snow. Okay, Daryl Snow. The prize that I'm going to send to you is this wonderful tart pan. If you all remember my recipe for the vegetable spiral tart. But this can also be used for fruit tarts or even quiche, okay? But it comes with the Oneida or Ornita, whatever you call it, measuring spoons, measuring cups, as well as a cookie scoop, you guys. And I think that any person who's cooking, whether you're a chef or just a trained cook, I think it's wonderful. It's a great addition to your household. I have one myself. So congratulations. Remember, 48 hours. Email, name, address. Doesn't cost you anything for me to send it to you, okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. Let me find a place for this. I'm ready, hun. Let's spin that wheel. Oh, Kia Gandhi. If I butchered it, please forgive me, Kia. Okay. I want to say, first of all, congratulations to you. I'm sending to you an over the sink mesh colander. I know a lot of people wonder what that would even be for. You know, you chop veggies. You pretty much put this down in the sink. You can go ahead and rinse everything right there. As a matter of fact, it even works if you're like me, if you like to steam crabs and shrimp and things like that. This would be a great thing to have. Again, it fits right over the sink, so you don't have to worry about it falling into dishwater or whatever you may have in the sink already that you didn't necessarily take out. Like myself sometimes. Anyway, so this is an over the sink mesh colander. And again, congratulations to Kia. That was her name, right? Kia Gandhi. Congratulations, sweetie. 48 hours. Respond to the email in 48 hours. Well, not respond to the email. Email us within 48 hours. Name and address so we can send it to you. All right. I told you guys this thing is going to move forward because I don't want to dilly-dally. All right. Are we ready? Okay. I am going to try to pronounce this. I want to say the Abios sisters. I'm not sure, but please, you can see your name up there, right, babe? They can see that, and you can see your name. Please don't kill me if I butchered it. All right. So what I'm sending to you is a mandolin and grater set. A mandolin and grater set. You'll be able to see exactly what it does. I mean, you can chop, you can dice, all of that stuff. It's a great tool to have in the kitchen. I have some as well. So there you go. I wouldn't give you something that I wouldn't have in my own kitchen. And then in some cases, I've give away stuff that I don't have. But it's good stuff, I believe. So again, congratulations to the Abios. I hope I said that, or am I just trying to put an accent on something? Anyway, congratulations. And again, 48 hours, name, address. Can't wait to ship it to you. Are we ready for the next one? Sarah's Kitchen, BD. What is BD, or is that just a smiley face and I'm pronouncing something? Sarah's Kitchen. Girl, you know who you are. Sarah, I am sending you this 6-piece bowl set. Let's see. Is that in there? There we go. That's what I'm sending to you. I'm not going to pretend to know what that word says on there, but I tell you what, it's beautiful, and I believe that you will enjoy it. So please, please, please make sure that you contact us within 48 hours so that, thank you, baby, because I couldn't see it either. In 48 hours so that you can give us your name and your address so we can send this out to you. It's beautiful. It's lovely. And thank you so much for being a subscriber. Congratulations. Are we ready? I'm ready, ready, ready. All right. The wheel is spinning. I promised I wouldn't make the wheel noise. Sean Creamer. Sean Creamer. You are the proud winner of the Snapware Total Solution. Snapware Total Solution. Yes, if you know anything about it, Snapware, it's Pyrex, okay? It's an 8-piece ensemble, okay? So congratulations to you, Sean Creamer. Hope to hear from you within 48 hours, your name and your address. And thank you for supporting us. All right, so the last one that we're going to give away comes as a total package. And what I'm going to do is a little different from the other ones. I'm going to put out there what this gift is, and then I'll call the name. That way I don't have to try to hold all that stuff at one time. Is that okay, hon? All right. Okay, so the winner of this grand prize will get the Oneida Peeler, the West Blade Flake Grater. They would get an Ernesto stainless steel boning knife. Am I in the right spot? Okay. Stainless steel boning knife. You got that, babe? Can you see it? All right. The Oster serrated knife. Oh my God, there we go. Serrated knife. Okay. They will also receive the Cooking Light bamboo cutting board. Yes, 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 yes. And they will also receive the Yardley woven chip and dip tray. And along with this, I will send you a recipe for both a hot and cold dip. One of my personal recipes. I will send that to you. So congratulations to that person, whoever it is at this point. Okay, now that I've shown you everything you will win, let's find out who the person is. You ready, babe? Spin that wheel. He's getting there, y'all. He getting there. Doing a lot of clicking. We ready, honey? All right. We got it. We got it. Urban Dynasty 316 Winter. Yeah, that's a mouthful. Urban Dynasty 316 Winter. That is the grand prize winner of everything that you just saw within that last prize. All of those things come together. Please, please, please make sure that you contact me within 48 hours. 48 hours. Your name and your address so that I can ship these things off to you. again, for all of the winners, and especially the top prize winner, the main prize winner, congratulations to you all. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you hanging on in there with us when sometimes we can become a little slow on the videos, but I think that it's always worth it. Urban Dynasty 316 is our main prize winner of the night. And again, it bears repeating. Congratulations to all of the winners. Do not forget to contact us within 48 hours of the start of this video. And as before, if you fail to respond, then all I'm going to do is give it away to somebody else, okay? So, but I would hope that you would want to respond to get it. We'll probably have a video up, right, babe? A replay of this video so that you will see. Also, before I go, I want to say to you that we will have some more cooking videos coming up real soon. Kind of in the kitchen, kind of that's my lab, cooking up what I want to show you all, what I think would be relevant to y'all. Also, I got a question in my email about why I don't do soul food videos. It's not about not doing soul food videos. If that is something that you all would like to see, as that person did, then email me. If enough people email me that they want to see some soul food, then I would do just that. I'm not against that. But there are a million videos on it, and I try to be just a little bit different, but I get down with the best of them when it comes to soul food. Okay, believe that. But I just wanted to make sure I put that out there for the person that emailed about why I don't cook soul food. So with that being said, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're my Facebook followers, share as well. Congratulations again to you all, and we'll be back with you soon. Take care.